Section 48. Revelation given through Joseph Smith the prophet at Kirtland, Ohio, March 10, 1831. The prophet had inquired of the Lord as to the mode of procedure in procuring lands for the settlement of the saints. This was an important matter in view of the migration of members of the Church from the eastern United States, in obedience to the Lord's command that they should assemble in Ohio. See sections 37, verses 1 through 3, 45, verse 64. 1 through 3. The saints in Ohio are to share their lands with their brethren. 4 through 6. The saints are to purchase lands, build a city, and follow the counsel of their presiding officers.
It is necessary that ye should remain for the present time in your places of abode, as it shall be suitable to your circumstances. And inasmuch as ye have lands, ye shall impart to the eastern brethren. And inasmuch as ye have not lands, let them buy for the present time in those regions round about, as seemeth them good. For it must needs be necessary that they have places to live for the present time. It must needs be necessary that ye save all the money that ye can, and that ye obtain all that ye can in righteousness, that in time ye may be enabled to purchase land for an inheritance, even the city. The place is not yet to be revealed, but after your brethren come from the east, there are to be certain men appointed, and to them it shall be given to know the place, or to them it shall be revealed. And they shall be appointed to purchase the lands, and to make a commencement to lay the foundation of the city. And then shall ye begin to be gathered with your families, every man according to his family, according to his circumstances, and as is appointed to him by the presidency and the bishop of the church, according to the laws and commandments which ye have received, and which ye shall hereafter receive. Even so,